Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying that mobile data is actually enabled. Make sure battery saver, data saver, or app permissions are not blocking it. Next, toggle airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds so the radio resets, then turn it off to force a new handshake with the tower. Once done, reboot the device. This clears transient issues and reloads carrier settings. Check the status bar for the operator name and 4G or 5G indicator before moving on. You now look deeper. Open the mobile network settings and verify access point name entries. Name, APN, MMSC, MCC, and MNC must match carrier specs exactly. Capitalization can matter. If settings look correct, reset the SIM or test the SIM in another phone to isolate a SIM versus device fault. You should also try manual network selection and force LTE or 3G only to see if a specific radio band is. You finish by resetting network settings if prior steps failed. This wipes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth but often fixes misconfigured profiles. Then install any pending carrier updates and operating system patches and reboot once more to apply them. If data still fails, contact your carrier to verify account provisioning, check for outages, or request a replacement SIM. Quick troubleshooting tip. If you swap your SIM into a different phone and it works, the problem is the device, otherwise it's carrier or SIM related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.